Because AI is an evolving technology, some of you watching this video may not know or understand how to write an AI prompt or what makes a good prompt. So let's take a minute to talk about what an AI prompt actually is and how to make one work for you. When you ask an AI assistant to create something, text, an image, a summary, audio, anything, the quality of what it gives back is directly tied to the quality of the prompt you give it. The AI can only follow the direction you provide. If your prompt is vague, you'll get vague results. If your prompt is specific, structured, and clear, the AI will usually give you something closer to what you actually wanted the first time. A good prompt tells the AI what you want, how much of it you want, who it's for, and what tone or style it should use. Think of it like giving instructions to a brand new intern. If you don't explain what you need, you can't be surprised when they deliver something odd, overly long, or missing the entire point of the slide. So let's take this a step further and look at what a good AI prompt actually sounds like in practice. Let's say you're working on a slide where you want to introduce the ADDIE model, just a short, clear explanation that fits nicely inside a text box. A weak prompt would look like this. Write about ADDIE. That's too vague and will almost guarantee you get back a rambling paragraph that doesn't match your slide or learning objective. A stronger prompt gives the AI more direction, like, write a short 2- and 3-sentence explanation of the ADDIE model for an e-learning slide. Keep the tone clear and instructional. Avoid jargon and focus on the purpose of each phase. And if you want to be even more precise, which is a great idea when working with limited space, you could say, write one paragraph, no more than 45 words, introducing the ADDIE model for new instructional designers. Keep the tone friendly and concise, and focus only on the high-level purpose of each phase. This kind of prompt produces reliable, clean, slide-ready text. No guessing, no wandering, no unexpected novel-length output.